Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey into the realm of cooking videos with AI. In this video, there are 4 easy steps to make a video with AI on the theme of cooking. Step 1. Use ChatGPT for scripting. Utilize ChatGPT to generate a detailed script for your cooking video. Input your recipe outline or key points into ChatGPT. For example, I am looking for a script with the theme, how to cook instant noodle. And it will generate natural language text based on the input. ChatGPT can provide step-by-step instructions, tips, and additional information to enrich your video content. Step 2. Generate video content with videogen.io. Log in with Google to make it faster. Then create new project. Input the script generated by ChatGPT into videogen.io, an AI-powered video creation platform. Videogen.io will automatically generate video clips based on the script, combining text-to-speech technology with animation to create dynamic visuals. Customize the video clips generated by videogen.io as needed. Step 3. Create visual elements with Canva. Open the Canva application, create a new design, select a video section or customize it yourself with a scale of 1920 by 1080. Then choose the appropriate template. You can just search directly with the keyword cooking tutorial. Choose templates, customizing the design with your recipe script, and you can change colors and fonts. Use Canva to design visual elements for your cooking video, such as title cards, ingredient lists, and step-by-step instructions. Add images or illustrations of the ingredients and final dish to complement the video content. Elevating your visuals with videogen.io and Canva. Videogen.io offers a plethora of tools to create dynamic video content, while Canva provides endless options for designing eye-catching graphics and animations. Step 4. Review and finalize. Review the video to ensure that all content is accurate and visually appealing.
Cooking instant noodles is a quick and easy process. Here's a basic guide. Ingredients: instant noodles, water optional. Flavoring packet, vegetables. Protein, such as egg, tofu, or meat. Instructions. Step 1. Boil water. Fill a pot or kettle with enough water to cover the noodles. Bring the water to a rolling boil. Step 2. Add noodles. Once the water is boiling, add the instant noodles to the pot. Use a fork or chopsticks to separate them if they stick together. Step 3. Cook noodles. Let the noodles cook in the boiling water for about 2 to 3 minutes, or according to the instructions on the package. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. Step 4. Add flavoring. If your instant noodles come with a flavoring packet, add it to the pot once the noodles are cooked. Stir well to distribute the flavor evenly. Step 5. Customize. This step is optional but recommended for added flavor and nutrition. You can add vegetables, like sliced carrots, spinach, or mushrooms. Protein, such as cooked chicken, shrimp, tofu, or a cracked egg. Or spices, like chili flakes or sesame oil. Let them cook for an additional minute or 2 until they're heated through. Step 6. Serve. Once the noodles and any additional ingredients are cooked to your liking, turn off the heat and carefully ladle the noodles and broth into bowls. Be cautious as the broth might still be very hot. Step 7. Enjoy. Instant noodles are best enjoyed piping hot. Feel free to garnish with fresh herbs like cilantro or green onions, or add a splash of soy sauce or lime juice for extra flavor. Remember, the exact cooking time may vary depending on the brand and type of instant noodles you're using, so always refer to the instructions on the packaging for best results. Additionally, You can adjust the amount of water and seasoning according to your taste preferences.